This question is to calculate the cumulative distribution function, CDF, for a discrete random variable. A discrete random variable called x has the following probability distribution. The probability that x equals 1 is 1/3. The probability that x equals 2 is 1/2. The probability that x equals 3 is 1/6. What is the cumulative distribution function, also called the CDF of x? That is, find the probability that x is less than or equal to a given value. First step is to understand what the cumulative distribution function means. The cumulative distribution function, or CDF, tells us the total probability that the variable x takes on a value less than or equal to some number. To find it, we add up the probabilities of all outcomes that are less than or equal to that number. Because x is a discrete variable, the CDF will be described in different parts depending on the value of x. Next step is to compute the cumulative probabilities over intervals. Let's break it down by looking at different ranges for the variable x. First, if x is less than 1, then the CDF is 0 because there are no values smaller than 1 in the distribution. Next, if x is between 1 and 2, including 1 but not including 2, the CDF is simply the probability that x equals 1, which is 1/3. Then, if x is between 2 and 3, including 2 but not including 3, the CDF is the sum of the probabilities that x equals 1 and that x equals 2. That is 1/3 plus 1/2, which equals 5/6. Finally, if x is equal to or greater than 3, we sum all the probabilities. 1/3 plus 1/2 plus 1/6 equals 1. So the CDF is 1 in this case. Next step is to write out the final result for the cumulative distribution function. Putting this together, the cumulative distribution function f of x is as follows. It is 0 when x is less than 1. It is 1/3 when x is between 1 and 2. It is 5/6 when x is between 2 and 3. It is 1 when x is 3 or greater. When working with discrete variables, always remember that the cumulative distribution function adds up all probabilities for values less than or equal to your input. Think step by step, sum as you go. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Thank you so much.